Laurel in ball position. Solid. Inside pass. Hits! Ano yun? No basket, 3 seconds. Big pass, number 66. Siba fires the tray. Now this time, Espinas, rebound. Solid. Inside pass, Honor. Through a pass to Espinas. That's surrounded by the 2 guys. And nakaiba naman there. Down goes the lane up the window. Tatlong lang naman ng JP Laurel. Number 8, Salam, gave it to Duran. Espinas wants the ball. Duran goes underneath. No good. Now, gonna do the rebound. And there it goes. Straight pass, Hiba. Back to now, Hiba. Left hand. Beautiful left hand. Isa na lang naman ng JP Laurel. Beautiful run by Namo. 7 down to 6. Salam, Duran, back to Salam. Cross court to Hona, fakes. 10 to shoot, bukas Jarrell, down, pump, backs in, drives down, too strong, take back out, naman na kay Hiba. And ang kaya barangay na mo, and now Hiba, floats out.